Okay, I'm back, and today I'm going to do just a simple black and white pumpkin. Black and white is really fun in home decor right now, and I kind of wanted to do a not so cheesy, well, I don't know if cheesy is the right word. Anyway, I just want to do more sophisticated pumpkin, so we'll see. So I purchased this black and white ribbon, and these are Halloween puffs, but I don't want this to be too Halloween-y, so let's hope, Halloween-y, I don't know if that's a word, but let's hope they don't turn out that way. So let's get started. What you're gonna need are some fun picks, ribbon of your choice, of course a pumpkin. I think I might use this accent ribbon. I already have it, so we'll see. I might do something like this on the pumpkin. So let's get started. It's very simple. I do need to go back and clean up these. My scissors are not working very good today. I need to find my second pair and I don't know where they are. So we're just gonna leave those a little rough. But as you can see, even in the quick tutorial, my puffs kept falling out. So add a lot of glue. I was hurrying, so if you hold it down a little bit longer, they should stick. So it's just a pumpkin, two kinds of ribbon, and as you see, I layered it. Just put some on the bottom. The bows that I did earlier, and then I just added the puffs. I didn't want to over clutter this one. I'm going to do one, trust me, that's going to be full of all kinds of stuff, but this is just a little more simple. I want to be able to use it for fall as well as Halloween. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and come back for more. I'll have lots more.